Is it possible to love again after a loss? Abso-freaking-lutely. I know it can trigger emotions like you feel guilty for moving on. There's fear of what others think. You also compare your new partner to your old partner. That causes doubt, like, am I really ready for this? There's typically family dynamics to consider, even in your old in-laws. It's very normal to also have conflicting emotions, like you're super excited about this new relationship, but then you're also sad and feeling guilt. And what about fear for the future? Is this new relationship really gonna last? Is it gonna live up to what my expectations are? Listen, I know it can be scary because I have been there, but this is your time for growth, renewal, and rediscovery. If you're navigating a midlife transition, whether it be retiring, a loss, an empty nester, or just wanting more meaning, I have a tool for you. Comment reinvention, and I will send you something that'll help you on your journey.